Hi everyone, rise and shine, and welcome all to my Mind Reader AI review. Right guys, that's the newest launch by Dave Espino and James Renouve. Powerful vendors, powerful product creators. These guys always blow my socks off, okay? Now, I have had the pleasure to go through the training course, which I am reviewing today, again called Mind Reader AI. It is going live today on the 28th of March, anytime soon at 9 a.m. New York time. And once it's gone live, you will be able to pick it up from me via the link below my review. I've got also some pretty amazing bonuses which will complement, not that, this product needs to be complemented, but I will add value on top of this insane value that you're getting with Mind Reader AI, with my bonuses. So, as you may know, I'm here to do a real deal review. I have watched all of the training. It's gonna take you maybe 78, let me see, I don't want to lie. Yes, over an hour to go through the whole training. Just over an hour of, concrete, solid knowledge that mainly Dave. The first few videos will be sort of like conversational style between James and Dave, discussing this method, which method will stay with me, disclose as much as I feel I can, okay, as much as I feel comfortable disclosing, because I am all for transparency, okay? Transparency is the matter of transformation. We need to be transparent, but obviously I always say and be fair to the vendors and not to give like completely everything away, which is not possible anyway, because it's in the way they deliver the product, okay? As they say, there is nothing new under the sun, but it's about how you approach that same thing that is not new, but how you talk about it, and you want to hit it from a different, refreshing, fresh angle that sort of goes hand in hand with the current or upcoming trends, stuff like that, okay? But that's getting maybe too philosophical here. My point is that I reached out to Dave. He gave me the review access. I feel so privileged to be able to talk to Dave. We are friends on, Facebook, and I also shared my feedback with him after having gone through the training. I was like, Dave, this is sick. Okay, as my daughter would say, she's like almost 10, a little bit like acting like a teenager already, and that's just the slang, I guess they use in school, like when you lost for words. So anyhow, without getting too carried away, guys, let's get to it. And as I was saying, my bonuses are probably like, not that I'm too much into bonuses, but because I understand the product so much, and I do happen to have bonuses which will complement this product like there is no tomorrow. I was so happy, okay, because it's just going to empower you even more, having access to my bonuses, which are super valuable. I bought the PLR products to these products, which I'm giving away today if you pick it up via the link below my review. And you do want this product, I have, anyhow, let's go. Okay, because I'm too happy, actually. If there is such a thing as being too happy, right? Right, okay, let's get to it. This is the members area, guys. You will have it delivered in a PDF format. You will have the opportunity also to access the upgrades in case you have missed them or decided not to go for them after having picked up the front end, because you will go through the funnel, okay, after you've bought the front end. And there are some sick upgrades. I mean, very congruent, sick, very congruent with the front offer. I'll talk about them a bit more in the later part of my review. So, as I was saying, you will have these videos. It's like 8 videos, guys, all together, okay? And then you will have some prompts, and these are the vendors, by the way. The legendary Dave Espino and James Renouve. I mean, the way Dave delivers his training courses, he is the master, okay, of creating training courses. He's a professional copy, right there. This is the guy you want to learn from, guys. Now, Dave being so advanced, so tacky as well, you know, so experienced, at the same time has this like amazing ability to put himself in a beginner, a newbie, whatever level you're on. He will meet you on that level. This is quite a skill. Takes years to get that. I mean, I could get carried away also, like getting too philosophical here about how amazing it is, you know, to be able to do that. But he will meet you at your level, and he delivers the courses in such a, like, he breaks, you know, the concept and the whole that needs to be done in a very, he breaks it up in a very, like, small, detailed, yet actionable, easy to follow steps. And you can do it. You can do it so easily. Okay, so you will have them videos, 8 videos, just over an hour to go through all of them. It is no fluff. It is no beating around the bush. It's concrete. Solid, proper stuff. Okay. Yeah, I would say sweet and short, but very much to the point, and you will be empowered. Okay, you will know what to do after you've gone through it, but do go through it and then take action. Right, so for example, you see the hosted as unlisted on YouTube. So this video, like 5 minutes long, this is the introduction. They talk about this platform, this information platform, which one I'll tell you in a sec, so stay with me. This is like the first few videos will be sort of like conversational between Dave and James, okay, and like later on there will be videos like this is done just by Dave. This one is 30 minutes long, it's the longest video. In this video, Dave will show you step by step. As you can see, okay, I'm already showing you the platform he's talking about, and let me tell you now, okay, what platform Dave is teaching you to sell information products on. It's called Udemy. Do we know Udemy? Probably. Yes, I have heard of Udemy, but I did not know how to really squeeze it like a lemon. And why do they call it Mind Reader AI? Well, because you kind of, you know, by leveraging the power of AI, you will be able to read people's minds because of all of the analytics you will be able to get from here if you follow, you know, what Dave is doing here. So you will know what people want, what they are searching for, what there is a demand for, and is it saturated, is it unsaturated? Okay, you most likely want to hit what's trendy, hot, yet not saturated. And this is precisely what Dave will be showing you here to do. Okay, and then using ChatGPT. Okay, so it's really like stupid simple to follow and to do. You don't even have to be an expert. You just need to know what people want. You need to read people's minds, and on this platform you will find out what they want. Okay, just focus on the training, follow Dave, and you will be, you know, golden. Then you will use ChatGPT as Dave is showing you here, and guys, and then by using PowerPoint, or you can even, if you don't have PowerPoint, no excuses. As Dave is saying here, you can use Google Slides to create the training course. It's sort of like copy and paste, and you get all of the prompts here, you know, that you will need. These are my bonuses, so I'm going to talk about them later. These are the prompts here that you will need. Okay, really, truly, Dave left no stones unturned. You will deliver the training course using PowerPoint, and then you would record videos using a super cool recording software that I use myself. It used to be called Screencast-O-Matic, which is super affordable. You can actually do it for free, okay? But you will just have a watermark. So I would advise you do buy Screencast-O-Matic. I mean, it used to be called Screencast-O-Matic. Now it's called, I think, ScreenPal. Sorry, I have to double check that, but it's an amazing recorder. And all you will be doing, you will be just reading the slides, okay, from PowerPoint presentation or Google Slides, either in like using your voice. And if you make mistakes, it's so easy to like clip them out using this recording software. Guys, I'm really telling you all that you're learning here. But again, you know, you see ChatGPT is just creating the course, and then Dave will be showing you here. Sorry, I'm jumping sort of like from one topic to another, but I'm just I just want to show you how he creates the course. You see, it's like step by step, guys. So easy to follow. And he's actually using PowerPoint, but you can do Google Slides as well. And then in another videos, he will be showing you how to record it, how to do the editing. So truly, I mean, you have all you need to smash it, okay, with the front end alone. But there will be some amazing upsells about advanced strategies as well, okay, and how to like do super search and, you know, how to tap into super like the analytics, the metrics, the data you want to access on Udemy, and additional ways of generating traffic, okay. So, but these are like, you know, pro tips. So guys, I believe, you know, you get it now. Here are my bonuses, guys. But before maybe I show you the bonus, I just want to say that this is the sales page, okay? I'm not gonna read through the sales page. I mean, it's beautiful, amazing, of course, but, you know, go check out the sales page for yourself. It's below my review. These guys are talking here about this method, okay? Maybe they don't call, okay, you will make this money on Udemy, which attracts, you know, millions, if not billions of users, and people go there to buy courses. But it's about, you know, guys, putting on Udemy, creating something that people really want, okay, and look for, and yet it is unsaturated. Even if it's kind of saturated, I would still probably create some products about it, and I will, because I got really inspired by it when I find the time. It's passive income, okay? You put your courses which you create over the weekend, or you can create a few courses over the weekend using this method that Dave shows you here. Put it up there, and these are your digital assets, okay? And they will keep selling for years to come. It's your passive income. It is a true method that Dave has made millions of dollars with. He's got students all over the world, okay? So you really are learning from the master, yet he will sort of like, you know, come down to your level at whatever level you at, okay? You know, and I mean it like, you know, with all of the respect, because everybody is a beginner at some point, okay? There was a point I didn't even know what a URL was, and I'm not joking, okay? Because I was so not techie. I still don't know. I don't think I am like kind of techie, but I understand more and more, because, you know, I keep learning. So that's the point. It's about taking action and forever learning. So yeah, cool stuff, guys. Check out the sales page. You see, as you can see, it's going anytime soon. I will manage to upload it before it goes live. So yeah, I'll do it. Taking action, right? And here is a cool video that I want you to watch. You see, this guy, do we know him? I'm sure we do. Well, obviously here to the left, Dave Espino, and here Russell. Yeah, I've got his book, you know, the ClickFunnels Guy, Expert Secrets. Read this book if you don't have it, guys. So Russell is just saying like what a beast Dave Espino is when it comes to creating products. And he's the guy you want to get a course from and learn from him. Yeah, he's just so amazing. Right, okay, guys, so going anytime soon. There will be a few upsells, guys. So this is the funnel. Okay, I'm not gonna go through the whole funnel. No, there will be some upsells, and please go through the funnel carefully after you've picked up the front end. Watch the videos on every sales page to each upsell. There will be a video by James and Dave in which they talk about this particular upsell. So listen to them, okay, because they say as it is. They say about what this upsell is all about. It's about advanced strategies, about how to even generate more traffic and make more money, okay? But what they have delivered in the front end alone is just super valuable and very empowering. So guys, here are my bonuses which will complement this product like there is no tomorrow. I'm giving you not only the ChatGPT prompts. If you're a newbie, if you don't quite know how to use ChatGPT, these prompts will really help you out. It's about understanding what prompts to feed ChatGPT with in order to get the best content out of it. You know, so it's about the prompt is the way to squeeze ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever AI tool you're using like a lemon. Even though Dave will give you all of the prompts he's using to create the product. Okay, so follow his steps. What can I say? Now then, I'll give you all of these courses are, the kind of courses, right? Except for the for the prompts. The PLR products, and this one in particular is super, super valuable. Let me show you the content I'll give you here access to. You won't believe it, okay? It's 2 hours content delivered in just audios or videos, okay? And there you go, guys. Just in case, okay, you need more information on how to set everything up on Udemy and all of that, my course will help you out with it and complement MindReader AI like there is no tomorrow. Check out all of the content. You see 20 videos from A to Z on how to smash it on Udemy. So what can I say? Go get it. You will love it. You will come back to thank me. These are the guys to learn from. The link to the sales page below my review. Enjoy it. Go through it. Watch it once, watch it twice, and implement what they're teaching you and make money. Make money and, just take action. Right, love you and leave you and see you very soon. Bye-bye.